Hello everyone, how are you all doing? In this video, we are going to talk about the iPhone 12 on iOS 15.5. So I have been using iPhone 12 on iOS 15.5 for past couple of days now, and in this video, I'm going to talk about is it worth installing iOS 15.5 on your iPhone 12 and what all is changed. Is it worth updating to this firmware at the end of the day when it will be out to the public? Let's get right into today's video without wasting any more time. My name is Jay and you are watching Tech Hyped. By the way, just a quick reminder to subscribe to this channel because we are really close to 10k and I want to get to 10k as soon as we can. Now that you have done that, let's get right into today's video. So for the most part, iOS 15.5 is basically a refinement update of iOS 15.4. The main change that you will notice is in Apple Pay. Unfortunately, I cannot show you guys that because I do not have Apple Pay in my country, but as you can see on screen, in Apple Pay Cash section of the wallet app, there is now a request and send button to make it easier to manage your wallet. Basically, it is the same if you are in India and you have used UPI system and you have used like Paytm or something. Because I'm giving this example because I do it. So on Paytm, there is the same button of request payment, and on Google Pay too, there is a payment request and payment send button. So it is basically the same UI thingy as those apps. If you have ever used them, you know it, right? Except for that, there is not a lot that is new in this update. But that doesn't mean that this update is not exciting. Why? Because there are a lot of hidden changes that I noticed. Number one is the battery. Oh my god, the battery is noticeably better. At least on my iPhone 12. I noticed that I got around half an hour more compared to the iOS 15.4 on my iPhone 12. And trust me, for an update, half an hour of more screen on time after installing an update, it is a big deal. It is seriously a big deal. I am really surprised how I get like 30 minutes more after installing this update on my device. It is just a bit too bonkers. Of course, the screen on time that I'm getting 30 minutes more, so it may vary in your use case because of course, you know, everyone has different use case, but in short, the battery is noticeably better. And battery, come on, battery is one of the key elements of a smartphone, and battery getting better after an update is just so good and just so relieving. By the way, just saying it, do you guys remember app clips? Yes, same, I don't remember it too. That was a thing on iOS 14, and oh my god, I can't believe it will be discontinued soon. At least what I think, because you know, there is not a craze of app clips and Apple expected it to be a huge success, but it is not really a huge success. I mean, people barely even remember it. So I don't really think so. They will keep that update. They will silently remove it in future. It may be probably before iOS 16 or on iOS 16. I'm not sure, but I think Apple will remove app clips from their software really soon. What do you guys think? Let me know down in comments below. Talking about the performance is not a lot different compared to iOS 15.4. iOS 15.4 was already really good in terms of performance on pretty much all of my devices. iPhone 12 is no exception. iPhone 12 on iOS 15.5 just runs perfect and really smooth. Of course, it's an iPhone 12, so you don't expect it to be laggy or anything, and neither does it disappoint you with the performance. The performance is really amazing. You don't see any stutters or anything. Yes, I do notice some stutters when I am on Ultra HD settings while playing PUBG, but that's pretty normal, and that too after like half an hour of playing, so that's really normal. The throttling thingy is pretty normal, and it's pretty normal on even devices like iPhone 13 Pro Max, so you can't really avoid it. So for people who are concerned that why my device after like 15 or 30 minutes of usage on full settings on PUBG is getting heated up so much and is getting less performance in getting frame drops, it is normal. Just lower down the frame rate or the quality of your game. It will be better then. That's pretty much it for this quick little video. If you guys did end up liking this video, consider hitting that subscribe button. We are really close to 10k and it would be amazing if you guys can hit that subscribe button. And now that you have done that, thank you so much for watching. Leave a comment down below. Are you guys waiting for iOS 15.5? Are you guys excited for it? Peace out. I will catch you guys in the very next episode. Have a great day, everyone.